Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or edit hashtags on a TikTok video after posting. So I believe you have that ability for up to 10 days after posting. It may be as short as 7 days or 15 days. They do change this stuff, every once in a while, but you have at least a week to change your hashtag information in your description. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So navigate over to whatever video you want to go about editing or adding the hashtags for. And then you want to select the three-dotted icon in the right panel. Just select it. And then scroll over on the right until you get to Edit Post. Select that. And then at this point, go ahead and change or add hashtags in here. Copy and paste them. Type them in yourself. Doesn't really matter. And then you would select Done to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.